Hey guys, welcome to Autodidactic Therapy. Today we'll show you guys how to hang up curtain rods. So we got these right here, show it to you guys. And these are the tools we'll be using with these curtains. Very nice. They're blackout curtains. Oh, these feel great and soundproof. Let's get started. All right, let's measure. So you want to go at least this much out?
If we can fit it in, that's fine.
Just mark this. 35 right over here.
That's the same height because the curtain's only long after that.
Okay.
Apparently. Here?
Yep. There we go. That's the target. Go ahead and drill this thing in. Hey, there's studs in here. This is hollow.
Yeah.
So you need anchor for this one. So let's see. Oop, two.
Yeah, that's why I have this.
Yeah.
I left the other attachment in the garage. So.
Ooh, that's good.
Perfect.
The hanger.
Oh, yeah. Okay. It's over.
Always use the screws that come with it. Perfect. And we'll tighten up a little more. There we go. Let's put the rods up. Go. Oh shoot. It just basically hold the rod from moving. Definitely need to tighten it. Alright, done. And done. Let's see. Ah, actually looks really good. Look at that. Curtain hanging job done. Woo! Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh my God, so sexy. Feels so nice.